Hi, this is Belinda again. How are you? Thank you for stopping in and checking this video out today, or whatever day you're watching this video. We're going to talk about relocation. Since my video, Why Did I Leave New Jersey to Move to Georgia? I have been getting a lot of questions about relocation and helping quite a bit of people, and I'm so honored and grateful that you have trusted me as your real estate agent to help you transition from many places. I got California, Ohio, New Jersey, New York, Maryland. I thank you all for allowing me to help you relocate to Georgia, and it's been my pleasure. So I am doing this video to definitely give off a couple of tips. And so let's get right to it. I do have to look at my notes, so pardon me. My number one tip for relocation is mentally get ready for the move. Sometimes you throw it out there and sometimes it's inspired action, but you do have to mentally get ready for the move. Understand that you're leaving one state to go to another. This is not just moving from town to town. You're actually uprooting and switching around your lifestyle and making some changes. And although you are taking you with you, the people and the environment around you will change. So you have to mentally get prepared for that adjustment. Okay. Number two, you should contact me or whomever it is that you're working with about location. The location that you choose, many of you are moving from state to state. You're relocating because of work. So what I do want to express, and again, this is my opinion, please do not choose your location for living around or near to where the job is. Choose to be somewhere where you are comfortable calling home, where if you had that job for the next 2 years or the next day, that the place where you rest your head is where you have your comfort. Okay, so that's very important to understand. Again, I do understand that this is my opinion, but I have seen this over and over again, and I have even experienced it myself with trying to pick my housing near the job, and either I end up leaving the job a year later, or a layoff should happen, or something will happen. And so now I'm stuck living in a town that has nothing to do with my personality or my vibe or things that I like, but I'm living here, and now I got to relocate again because it's not quite where I want to be. And the only reason why I was there in the first place was because of a job. Okay, so choose your location wisely, and that's why it is very important that if you are relocating into another state, that you have a real estate agent that's helping you with this transition, that's not just doing it for the business. They're doing it because there's a personal gain, that you have a relationship with them. They understand your needs and are trying to accommodate you in any and every way that they can. All right. Number three, housing. Just really similar to location. Know what type of housing that you're looking for. uh, your housing payments, if it's not a cash purchase, or if you're leasing, renting, or purchasing a home, please be comfortable with the monthly payments. Okay, do not, as I've heard it say, do not be house poor. Okay, when you are relocating, understand that for many first time home buyers, or if this is your first time into the state, try not to think of it as your forever home. Very important. If you are relocating from another state, try not to make the first purchase your forever home. The reason why is there will be some things that you start not to like, and don't pinch yourself and feel like you have to settle. So when you're transitioning, make sure that because you're just getting your feet and your grounding together, be comfortable with the monthly payments no matter where you are, whether you're leasing, renting, or purchasing. Be very comfortable with those monthly payments and try not to think about it as your forever home, because thing is, the better it gets, the better it gets, the better it gets. And the more that things evolve, you find out that you like certain things and you may not want to be at that first home forever. You may want to upgrade or you may want to downsize. Things change. Always leave room for good. Okay? Number 4, reserve your moving truck or the company. Yes, do this right after you secure housing, even if, please hear me, even if the transition is not going to happen for a month or 4 months out. Once you have secured housing, immediately the next step is to reserve your moving truck and or company. I have seen it over and over and over again where you wait until, not saying you, but where others have waited until 2 weeks before they have to make the move, before you have to get out from where you're at, before you make the transition, and find out, for one, the moving company's price is astronomical because then they tell you we need a week advance notice, or you didn't know that it's high time for moving to go on, and now you can't reserve a truck because they're already gone. So put yourself on a calendar for the moving company or U-Haul or Penske, whoever it is that you're using. Get on their calendar as soon as you pin down, locate, and close the deal, whatever have you, as soon as you located housing. So these are my tips for relocation, because I am helping many of you relocate to different states. Most of you are coming to Georgia, but these tips that I just gave will help you even if it's not Georgia. So I thank you so much for taking time out, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any more of my life hacks, my lifestyle coordinating tips. I love you all so, so much. Be blessed. Bye-bye.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, as it is my mission to add value to your experience.